Welcome to PointWise's Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. Today's topic focuses on the Points feature. The Points feature is found under the Create menu, about 2/3 of the way down. At the top is the entity type frame, where you can choose a database point or a source point. Below that is the point placement box for XYZ. Let's type in 0, 0, 0 and push the Enter key. Here it is, but it's only temporary until we push the OK button or the Apply button. You can also create points by just clicking in the display window. These are only temporary until you push OK or Apply. One of the more useful features of this tool is to find the average among a set of points. For example, let's say you wanted to find the centroid of a triangle. First, click on at least 2 of the vertices. After you do that, the average point checkbox will be activated. Go ahead and check that. Now if we select a third vertex, an average point will be created. I'll go ahead and push Apply. And now we see this point in the middle, which is the official centroid of this triangle. And it also works in 3 dimensions. If you like this video, then be sure to let us know and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any comments or questions, then drop us a line down below or connect with us on Twitter. Thank you for watching and have a pleasant Tuesday.